Did everybody get a bag with a brick in it? Cool. And nobody opened it, right? But for me, I had so much PTSD and trauma from what I went through, and I didn't make the right decisions, and I didn't go get help. And I carried all these bricks with me, and they weighed me down for a long time, for about 14 years. So whatever it is that's holding you back, or whatever setback that you have, the first step to getting better is you have to value yourself. You have to understand that you are created for greatness. Now, no matter what anybody else says about you or thinks about you, it's what you say to yourself. I'm still here for a reason, and that's to let other people know that you're not alone. You're not lacking the ability, all you're lacking is a strategy. Whatever you wrote down, you're getting rid of it. So after today, it's no longer a failure, it's no longer a setback, we're done. 1, 2, 3.
My biggest takeaway is to control the controllables. You can't control what happened to you, but you can control how you react and how you let it impact your future.
So I don't get stuck up on that one thing and have that weigh me down as well.
I mean, control the controllables. Don't let everything affect you, especially if you can't control it.